So in the previous part, we had seen the data export data analysis EDA. So in this, we'll be seeing data cleaning and pre-processing. So what do we mean by cleaning? We have many tweets such as URL, username, punctuation, hashtag, and common stop words. That is which is not required for us. So we'll be removing all this. We'll be having only the normal pure data set, which is easy for analysis. So after this, we'll create a new clean tweet, and then we'll be storing that. And now we'll try to get the balance between the classes. And then we'll set the result in a new CSV file. So that's it. Let us jump into the code. So first we have this NLTK corpus. We were importing stop words, and then we're importing NLTK. That is Natural Language Toolkit. Okay, so now first is basically we'll try if the stop words is there in English, and if it is not there, then we download NLTK stop words, and then we look for the stop words. So the language is English because because the speech is in English. Okay. So now the first function is clean text. So in this first, we'll remove all the HTTP, www, that is the URL, and www, everything will be removing in the first this thing. Now the second one is basically we'll be removing hashtag, but we'll be keeping the text as same. Whatever hashtag is being used, only we'll remove the hashtag sign, but the text is remains the same. Now we'll convert everything into lowercase for easy for analysis. Now we'll remove all the punctuation marks, digits, and non-alphabetic characters. So basically, everything will be replacing with spaces. So all the punctuation marks, digits, and non-alphabet, so which doesn't belong to A to Z, we'll be removing that. Now we'll split the entire words, the statement into words. So now we'll split the entire statement into words. So now we have a cleaned words variable. So in that, basically it iterates every word and it checks if the word is not in stop words. If it is there, it removes. If it is not there, it keeps. And now we join everything back. So whatever we had split, whatever we had split in the previously, we'll be joining everything back, making a statement back. So now we have the main function. Input file is given, output file is also given. And now we'll be loading the dataset. If it is not found, then data file not found error. Please ensure that dataset is in the correct directory. Exit. Now, if it is done, then we apply clean text function. Now we have to balance the dataset. How do we balance the dataset? Is basically, now hate is basically belongs to 0, offensive belongs to 1, and neutral belongs to 2. Now, okay, so because the offensive is too much, we have offensive is too much when compared to neutral and hate speech. So we take random 2500 samples of offensive, and then with random shade 42, and then we bring it down. So basically, we're trying to balance all the three datasets equally. So basically, then hate, offensive, that is sampled offensive, we are making a sample of 2500 randomly, and now we ignore the index. Now before the final saving, we save it to the output file, and the output file is already mentioned here. So we save it as the output file, and then without any indexing, that is named as clean tweets. So now let me run this. Okay, so we have not installed pip nltk. My bad. I'll just install pip nltk. Okay, now I'll run the program. Okay, so you can see the dataset is saved to clean hate dataset.csv. So this is like this, class 2, whatever the tweet is belong, the original tweet, and now it is the clean. So it was like yaya ho 2 dots, and then again basically we get a lot of content. So now it removed all the unnecessary words. Here you can see the and username, it is removed, and it only says the whatever we have kept, it only says that. So now you can see in the directory we have the clean hate dataset. So this is the clean dataset with the class in the last. So I'll submit the program. So all the discussions have been passed, so this program was correct, and that's it for this video. I hope you guys understood the solution. If you want to try this on your own, then head to the CodeChef platform right now and give this a try. And I'll see you in the next video, the last video of the Weekend Dev Challenge 14. Thank you.